Here's the Walkaround on the CT70. This was a frame-off restoration done at JT's Customs. It included splitting the cases, checking all the bearings, and there's more information in the ad. I do so many of these I don't remember the exacts of what was rebuilt on the motor, but everything was brought back and it runs super strong. The candy paint is incredible. There's really not any orange peel, and I try to paint these so that there isn't any color sanding, and if I pick up a hint of orange peel, that just adds to the original look, because they were not the best paint jobs. They were okay, but they did have a little orange peel in there, but you can see it doesn't have any. It's just like glass. The trail wing tires still have the stickers on them. They're brand new. And this is a beautiful candy red. It's got the new seat on it. And let's do the ride. So going over the receipts, what I have is VMR supplied the paint. It's an exact match. I did a I vapor blasted the cases, the head, the intake. It's got the correct paint on the side covers. It has new rubber on the Kickstarter. The wiring harness has been replaced. The seat is brand new. The rims are brand new. The hubs are original. And if you notice, all of the plating that's done on this, all the zinc plating, is all done in-house. And I do it bolt by bolt to get the proper aging look. Some of the nuts, bolts, or hardware might have like a little yellow hue to them. The ignition switch is new. Carb kit. What else is on here? The bike was fairly complete. There's new levers with the rubber ends. I believe there's new grips. There are new cables, speedometer cable, brake cable, all in the original gray. The forks were completely disassembled and rebuilt with new boots. The decals are new. The brake light switch is new. The rubber grommet around the wiring harness as it exits there is new. The bolts, I keep all the original bolts and replate them, so the bolt there that has the Honda deal on it, it's got the Honda deal on it. Now, of course, there's probably some pieces here that aren't from the bike originally, and I try and source an original, but if I can't, I do what I have to do. But even the tail light bolt is the original Honda. A little bolt here in the exhaust, that's all plated. It's got a new chain, new sprockets. There's just so much when you do a restoration like this. Yeah, the grips are new. shifter rubber is new. And the rear shock absorbers are new. The front axle seals, every bearing was checked, either replaced or it was good. The cam chain, it was replaced. The roller was replaced. The cylinder was bored. New piston, rings, transmission bearings. There was a couple that I didn't like. They would have worked. Piston wrist pin and clip. And I'm just trying to think of everything else. But there it is. There should be some of the receipts on the ad, and there are always going to be questions, so don't hesitate to ask. But there is the complete walk around. And one last thing to note, that this sat in my collection for 5 years with the oil drained and the gas drained. So the pictures might show like a little dust up in corners and stuff. I really hesitate to do anything after my paint jobs as far as even washing. I don't want to wash my bikes once they're done. But if you think it looks good now, it probably would look even better once the bike is put on a stand and just super detailed. I normally dress the tires. You can see how these are dressed. Here's a 125 Yamaha. So just wanted to let you know that this example would probably really pop even better with just a little wipe down and cleaning here and there, but it's pretty much immaculate now.